contract they give me, I'm not campaigning for anybody.
My Nigerian people don't bring no bonga Bishop news story. My name na Nehi. Make a sharply yarn on some story we say it just happened. The governor of Abia State will be Alex Oti don't come out to con the yarn say upon all the kasala where the apple for inside Labour Party say him still remain the member of Labour Party and he never joined any coalition party.
I also have a right to state that I am still a member of Labour Party. And I'm not looking for where to become to.
The family of Pebola Idowu Isaac don't cry out loud as they come they talk on top social media. Say since December 2019, we be said their brother come out for house to say in they go Lagos State from Ondo State. Say they never use ITCM to do, and as since 2029 they don't define them as they come they beg Nigerians them. So I beg anybody will get informative or maybe see them anywhere. Say me the sharply take let them know.
My name is Fabula Sonde from Ondo State. Please, I'm making this video because of my brother Fabula that we have been looking for since 2020. He traveled 2019 December 28, 2019 that he said he's going to Lagos. We spoke till January 2020. That is when we talked last.
The joinbody party will be coalition party of different politicians them from different parties them. They don't come together to form another party where they call them ADC. As the meaning na African Democratic Congress for on top the 2027 general election as they can announce the former Senate President will be David Mark as their national chairman and the former Osun State Governor and also the former Interior Minister will be Rauf Aregbesola and he can be their national secretary and also the former Sport Minister will be Bolaji Abdullahi and he can be the party talk person and on Tuesday will be July 2nd 2025 and they come out can yarn the store. The petroleum markets are not concrete to reduce their fuel pump prices after we Dangote refinery on Monday will be July 1st 2025 will come reduce in pump prices from 818 naira per liter to 814 naira per liter as the oil market as they come they talk we say until where they go sell finish all the fuel they will say they buy 900 naira per liter before they go reduce their pump price. Now be small something as one customer enter FCMB bank on Tuesday will be July 2nd 2025 will come enter inside a toilet, come climb the toilet ceiling, come hide for there. After we bank hour come finish, all the workers for bank don't come go out. Now so come jelly come down, come try to hack into the system for inside the bank. But you not come try to enter them. Now so you can't go lock the door of the bank. We make the next day bank as they come try to come walk as they want try to open the door of the bank. Then off you can open them as they come break the door to enter inside. Come go they find the person who say lock the door. We make them not fit enter inside. Now so they come catch the man when he go hide for on top ceiling as they come drag and take on down. Come give him better beating. It's okay. Hey. The Lagos State government don't come carry this lady come put for inside prison till July 8, 2025 for say because she go fight the Lagos State Task Force wey be Kai officers and wey say they catch and wey say she go cross express and she not follow the pedestrian bridge.
Ẹ wo ibà ẹwẹ tó bá yín sọ̀rọ̀. Ẹ má wọrí. Ṣé àmẹ́jọ ẹ ní sùúrù? Ó lágídí ni. Ẹ wo ibà ẹ sọ̀rọ̀ bá yín sọ̀rọ̀. Ó ní agídí ni. Ẹ wo ibà iṣẹ́. Ẹ wo ibà.
The Boga Nigerian musician will be Innocent Idibia aka Two-Face don come out to come dey apologize to him woman will be Honorable Natasha and in children them and also in Ogbonge fans them. After we be saying come out to come carry talk say the way we say God take treatment. Say men sexually not fit stay with one woman. As in come dey apologize the beg. Say may they forgive am for that talk we saying talk. This Nigerian man don't come show the contract business. We say all Progressive Congress people they take give them. As in caution and plantain chiefs them. Now they tell them making do and make they come put the picture of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu for inside the container just to campaign for the 2027 general election.
Now contract they give me, I'm not campaigning for anybody. So na contract, and my money they go pay me.
This Nigerian US-based man will be lawyer. We come from Ikorodu inside Lagos State. He don't become the first Nigerian man. We say he fly come out for Earth, don't go enter space, and with some other American citizens, all of them follow. They fly go space. The former vice president of Nigeria and also the former presidential candidate of People's Democratic Party will be PDP, wey name be Atiku Abubakar, don come welcome the former Labour Party presidential candidate will be Mr. Peter Obi for im house. Just few hours wey be say they form and also announce the coalition party wey they call am ADC. But later, Atiku Abubakar, Mr. Peter Obi, Rotimi Amechi, Nasser El-Rufai, Emeka Ihedioha, and some other ogbonge politicians, them all of them don come gather to do the collation of the ADC meeting for inside Yaradua Center wey dey for Abuja.
ADC, El-Rufai, Peter Obi, they're all here.
The Economic and Financial Crime Commission will be EFCC don come declare Mr. Omowumi Ikomi wanted for on top the case of Yahoo wey be internet fraud, impersonation, and obtaining money by force and pretense. As the court talk say they don't declare and wanted anybody wey see and may they give them information. Yes, now Bishop News Club. My name is Nanehi. Make una enjoy your day.